Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Bushra Shahzad. Today we are going to discuss conversion of amino acid to specialized product. Metabolic role of alanine. Alanine serves as a carrier of ammonia and of carbons of pyruvate from skeletal muscle to liver via the Cori cycle. Alanine and glycine constitutes a major fraction of the free amino acids in plasma. Metabolism of arginine, ornithine and proline. Arginine is derived from dietary sources, protein catabolism or endogenous biosynthesis. Arginine serves as the precursor for many biological important molecules. This figure is showing metabolic fates of arginine. Arginine may be incorporated into protein. In addition to serving as a carrier of nitrogen atoms in urea biosynthesis, the guanidino group of arginine is incorporated into creatine and creatine phosphate. Arginine synthesized citrulline and nitrogen oxide in a reaction catalyzed by nitric oxide synthase. Cleavage of arginine by arginase results in the formation of urea and ornithine. Following conversion to ornithine, its carbon skeleton becomes that of the polyamines putrescine, spermidine and spermine. Putrescine, spermidine and spermine synthesis occurs in both mammals and bacteria. Ornithine catabolized into glutamate gamma semialdehyde, which may convert into glutamate and proline. Arginine phosphate of intervertebrate muscle functions as a phosphogen analogous to creatine phosphate of mammalian muscle. Biosynthesis of nitric oxide from arginine. The reaction catalyzed by nitric oxide synthase, a 5-electron oxidoreductase with multiple cofactors converts one nitrogen of the guanidinium group of arginine to citrulline and nitric oxide. Arginine and NADPH are substrates for cytosolic nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is an intracellular signaling molecule that serves as a neurotransmitter, smooth muscle relaxant and vasodilator. Conversion of cysteine into specialized product. Cysteine may participate in the biosynthesis of coenzyme A, or cysteine may be converted to taurine. Cysteine participates in the biosynthesis of coenzyme A by reacting with pentothenate to form 4-phosphopentothenol cysteine. Pentothenate is phosphorylated to 4-phosphopentothenate, which ultimately converted into coenzyme A. This is the structure of pantothenic acid and this is the structure of coenzyme A. Conversion of cysteine to taurine. The conversion of cysteine to taurine involves catalysis by the non-heme iron enzyme cysteine dioxygenase. Sulfinoalanine decarboxylase and hypotaurine dehydrogenase. The conversion of cysteine to taurine is initiated by its oxidation to sulfinoalanine, also called cysteine sulfinate, in a reaction catalyzed by the cysteine dioxygenase. The decarboxylation of cysteine sulfinate by sulfinoalanine decarboxylase forms hypotaurine. Finally, oxidation of hypotaurine by hypotaurine dehydrogenase forms taurine. Taurine formed from cysteine can displace the coenzyme A moiety of choline CoA to form the bile acid taurocholic acid. Glycine products. Many metabolites and pharmaceuticals are excreted as water-soluble glycine conjugates. Glycine is incorporated into creatine. Nitrogen and alpha carbon of glycine are incorporated into pyrrole rings and the methylene bridge carbons of heme, and entire glycine molecule becomes atom 4, 5 and 7 of purines. Biosynthesis of hypurate. Many drugs, drug metabolites and other compounds with carboxyl group are conjugated with glycine. This makes them more water soluble and thereby facilitates their excretion in the urine. An example is hypuric acid formed from the food additive benzoate. Benzoate will convert into benzoyl CoA by adding coenzyme A in a ATP dependent reactions. Benzoyl CoA will convert into hypurate by incorporating glycine and removal of coenzyme A. Conversion of histidine to histamine. Decarboxylation of histidine to histamine is catalyzed by the paradoxal 5' phosphate dependent enzyme histidine decarboxylase, a biogenic amine that functions in allergic reactions and gastric secretion. Histamine is present in all tissues. Its concentration in the brain hypothalamus varies in accordance with a circadian rhythm. Histidine compounds or derivatives. Histidine compounds present in human body include carnosine and dietarily derived ergothioneine and N-serine. Carnosine or beta-alanine histidine and homocarnosine or gamma-aminobutyryl histidine are major constituents of excitable tissues, brain and skeletal muscle. Urinary level of 3-methyl histidine are usually low in patients with Wilson disease. Biosynthesis of polyamines, spermidine and spermine. This figure summarizes the biosynthesis of polyamines from methionine and ornithine. The major non-protein fate of methionine is conversion to S-adenosyl methionine, which is also called the SAM, the principal source of methyl group in the body. Biosynthesis of S-adenosyl methionine from methionine and ATP is catalyzed by methionine adenosyl transferase. Human tissues contain 3-met isozymes MET1 and MET3 of liver and MET2 of non-hepatic tissues. Although hypermethionemia can result from severely decreased hepatic MET1 and MET3 activity, if there is residual MET1 or MET3 activity and MET2 activity is normal, a high tissue concentration of methionine will ensure synthesis of adequate amount of S-adenosylmethionine. As we have already discussed that methionine and ATP converted to S-adenosylmethionine in a reaction catalyzed by methionine adenosyltransferase. The decarboxylation of S-adenosylmethionine results in the formation of decarboxylated S-adenosylmethionine. Reaction is catalyzed by S-adenosylmethionine decarboxylase. Decarboxylated S-adenosylmethionine react with putrescine to form spermidine, 3 carbons, and the alpha amino group of methionine transferred to putrescine. And methylthioadenosine in a reaction catalyzed by spermidine synthase. Putrescine is formed by decarboxylation of ornithine by ornithine decarboxylase. Now spermidine react with the decarboxylated S-adenosylmethionine to form spermine, 3 carbons, and the alpha amino group of methionine transferred to the spermidine during this reaction. This reaction is catalyzed by spermine synthase. Functions of polyamines. The polyamines spermine and spermidine functions in cell proliferation and growth. They are growth factors for cultured mammalian cells and stabilized intact cells, subcellular organelles and membranes. Pharmacological doses of polyamines are hypothermic and hypotensive. Since they bear multiple positive charges, polyamines readily associated with DNA and RNA. This figure shows catabolism of polyamines. Spermine is oxidized into beta-amino-propion aldehyde and spermidine in a reaction catabolized by polyamine oxidase. Hydrogen peroxide also produced in this reaction. The oxidation of spermidine by polyamine oxidase results in the formation of beta-amino-propion aldehyde, putrescine, and hydrogen peroxide. Putrescine ultimately converts into ammonium ion and carbon dioxide in multiple steps reaction. Biosynthetic role of serine. Serine participates in the biosynthesis of sphingosine and of purines and pyrimidines, where it provides carbon number 2 and 8 of purines and the methyl group of thiamine, which is pyrimidine. Genetic defects in cystathionine beta synthase, a heme protein that catalyzes the paradoxal 5' phosphate dependent condensation of serine with homocysteine to form cystathionine, result in homocysteinuria. Finally, serine, not cysteine, serve as the precursor of peptidyl selenocysteine. Conversion of tryptophan into serotonin and melatonin. Initially, there is hydroxylation of tryptophan to 5-hydroxytryptophan by liver tryptophan hydroxylase. The decarboxylation of 5-hydroxytryptophan forms serotonin 5-hydroxytryptamine, a potent vasoconstrictor and stimulator of smooth muscle contraction. Catabolism of serotonin is initiated by demyelination to 5-hydroxyindole 3-acetate, a reaction catalyzed by monoamine oxidase. Serotonin may be directly converted to 5-hydroxyindole 3-acetate in a reaction catalyzed by monoamine oxidase, or initially methylated to 5-methoxytryptamine and then converted to 5-hydroxyindole 3-acetate in a reaction catalyzed by monoamine oxidase. The psychic stimulation that follows administration of iproniazid results from its ability to prolong the action of serotonin by inhibiting monoamine oxidase. N-acetylation of serotonin followed by its O-methylation in the pineal body forms melatonin. Circulating melatonin is taken up by all tissues including brain but is rapidly metabolized by hydroxylation followed by conjugation with sulfate or with glucuronic acid. Kidney tissue, liver tissue and fecal bacteria all convert tryptophan to tryptamine, then to indole 3-acetate. The principal normal urinary catabolites of tryptophan are 5-hydroxyindole acetate and indole 3-acetate. Carcinoid argentophenoma. In carcinoid argentophenoma, tumor cell overproduce serotonin. It means there is production of large amount of serotonin from tumor cell. Urinary metabolites of serotonin in patients with carcinoid include N-acetyl-serotonin glucuronide and the glycine conjugate 2,5-hydroxyindole acetate. Thank you very much. Sources of lecture are Harper Biochemistry and Lippincott Biochemistry.